pressure is huge because if you lose, your career can come to an end.
You know, my family is call up and you're going to Pakistan, be careful.
मैं उससे कहना करो बेटा इस बार तुम्हें पाकिस्तान भी आना है.
That was not the first time a stone throwing incident took place.
इंडिया की बैटिंग लाइनअप उसमें बहुत अच्छी थी और फॉर्म में थी, सबसे बड़ी बात है.
Rajesh Chauhan has just hit the biggest six he'll ever hit in his life.
जब बॉल हवा में जा रहा था उसकी लगने से ही मुझे पता लग गया कि ये तो गया, ये हो गया.
India have won, they've drawn level in this World Challenge. ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀ ਵੱਜ ਜਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਸੀ.
In 1997, Toronto, Canada played host to arch rivals India and Pakistan. In the second Sahara Cup, India took sweet revenge for its loss in the first edition, beating Pakistan comprehensively.
India down the third man, this could be the cup. It is. India have won 3-0 for them in the series. And they have taken the Sahara Cup from Pakistan, who won it in their first year.
Joy for Sachin Tendulkar, but for Ramiz Raja, the loss was huge.
Pressure is huge because if you lose, your career can come to an end, like it happened to me, for example. When I was captain against India, went to Toronto, lost the series 4-1, and I just couldn't continue because I couldn't just carry on with that kind of performance. So players exactly know what they have to do against India because of the extra pressure that's on them all the time from the public, and the expectations are high, obviously. And they know that if they do well against India, they can carry on playing for a few more years because that performance against the rivals will be remembered by one and all.
After the disaster at Toronto, Pakistan had a chance to redeem themselves under new captain Saeed Anwar as they took on India in Pakistan. But the pressure of playing India in front of a demanding home crowd was huge.
होम सीरीज खेलना ही बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है, इंडिया के खिलाफ हो चाहे जो भी टीम हो. लेकिन ये है कि उस वक्त बाकी प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था. इंडिया आई थी पाकिस्तान और हमने ये सोच लिया था कि हम कोई मैच हारे तो हमारे ख्याल नहीं है.
In 1997, the celebrations of 50 years of independence in both countries coincided with a surge of diplomatic activity. This was manifested on the cricket field as the Indian team travelled across the border for the first time in 8 years. India had dominated at Toronto, but they knew playing Pakistan on their home turf would be a whole new ball game.
There was a lot of pressure, till we were going there, from Toronto till Pakistan. And the first match, there was a lot of pressure. And back home from here, my family used to call up and you're going to Pakistan, be careful. There was a lot of security also, and that we took it in our part and we started playing. This is a big wicket. Waqar Younis is a star. He's stuck with the wicket of Tendulkar, and India lose their second wicket.
In the absence of Wasim Akram, Pakistan's pace attack was led by his new ball partner Waqar Younis. The hosts made the perfect start to the 3-match series, winning the first match at Hyderabad by 5 wickets.
We lost against India in 97, the second Sahara Cup trophy, so we were a bit in pressure, and our home record wasn't very good. But when we started playing, we played the first game at Hyderabad, so we won that. The pressure was quite released after that.
Karachi, the capital of Sindh province, was the venue for the second game. The port city is the commercial capital of Pakistan. This bustling city with a population of over 10 million follows the game with a fanatical passion. But sometimes the crowd is known for carrying its passion a bit too far.
Karachi has always been actually a crowd disturbance. Even before that, we played against India. We played, I remember it was the early days of my career, and we played some one-days against India also. And the umpire gave Javed Mian the LBW. which I don't think the Karachi crowd can take it. And the match was abandoned after that. It always been a little difficult playing in Karachi against India.
The National Stadium at Karachi was the battleground for the traditional rivals. On the match day, all roads led to the stadium. After all, Pakistan has an impressive record here.
The history is such that, it's difficult to beat Pakistan, but we went into the game, the conditions were pretty good for cricket, and we were pretty confident.
The Pakistan openers were in a dominating mood as they treated the Indian attack with contempt, putting on a half-century stand.
And that's what he's been sent out there for. Down the track, over the offside.
But they would have to guard against complacency.
The psyche of a Pakistan team is once they've done well in the first game, they take things for granted. They feel that they can win it again quite easily. And since it was a home game against India, and obviously they'd won quite comfortably the first match, so they were thinking that it will be a cakewalk once again, that they'll not face a great deal of hardships from the Indians.
The first blow for India was struck by Rajesh Chauhan.
He's got it. So Sindhu to his work. Side Anwar is caught on board, and Rajesh Chauhan, actually a pretty good catch that.
But Shahid Afridi was not ready to be reined in. After all, the young Pathan had a score to settle with Debashish Mohanty.
And straight back over the bowler's head. This will take him to 50. Another terrific knock by Shahid Afridi. And he's given the Pakistanis a rousing start. इससे पहले मेरे ख्याल में कनाडा सीरीज खेलते हुए पाकिस्तान आए थे, जहां इंडिया की बड़ी ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस रही है. तो वहाँ पे हुआ एक ऐसे, तो मोहांती बड़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रहा था कनाडा में. वो ग्रास था तो थोड़ा हिला बहुत रहा था, ये तो आंखें दिखा रहा था ना मुझे करीब आ गया. मैंने उससे कहना करो बेटा, इसके बाद तुमने पाकिस्तान भी आना है. तो बड़ा ज़रा वो हुआ ना, तो जब पाकिस्तान आया तो पाकिस्तान में बड़ा उसको मारा वारा.
Afridi scored 72 of 56 deliveries before holding out to Abhi Kurvilla.
It's got more height than distance, and it's taken.
Inzamam ul Haq added to India's misery with a masterly batting display. Pakistan were cruising at 172 for 3 in 32 overs. But India did not have only Inzamam to worry about. The unruly spectators in the stands also found them an easy target.
During the game also there were a lot of problems during the game, and they have separate stands for women in Karachi, and even the crowd there was also very hostile. They used to chase the one thing or the other, keep passing remarks or if you're fielding there. But at least you were sure that nothing would come, missiles or nothing would come at you. If you're fielding at the other end, you had small stones or something of that sort coming all the time.
Cricket enthusiasts are pained by such incidents. Among them is Abdul Jalil, Pakistan cricket's unofficial ambassador, better known by his nickname, Chacha Cricket. When Pakistan toured India in February 1999, he was among the fans who took the train to Mohali. A legend in Pakistan, Chacha's mission is to spread the gospel of peace on the cricket ground.
अपने क्राउड को यही कहता हूँ कि ये मुल्कों की इज्जत का सवाल होता है, तो क्राउड को जो है वो डिसिप्लिन से अपने मुल्क का नाम रोशन करने के लिए काम करना चाहिए. और मेरा अभी तक जो जब से मैं ज़्यादा मैच देख रहा हूँ और मैं अपने मकसद में कामयाब हूँ, और अभी पहले जैसी डिस्टर्बेंस ऐसा नहीं होते मेरे ग्राउंड में होते हुए.
In Pakistan, cricket brings everything to a standstill. Restaurants are packed with enthusiasts, for whom a match day is a free party.
कारोबार में सारे मुफ्त पर बैठे हैं, सब मुफ्त पर बैठे हैं. खाने पीने वाला कोई भी नहीं यहाँ बैठा हुआ, सिर्फ मैच देखने वाले बैठे हैं.
Unfazed by the crowd disturbance, Inzamam continued to entertain, reaching his half-century. Along with Moin Khan, India appeared to be taking Pakistan to a huge total as a score of 300 looked on the card. But with a score on 265 in the 48th over, a stone fell close to Saurav Ganguly. The fourth interruption to the game came as the last straw for skipper Sachin Tendulkar. Fearing an injury to one of his players, he led his team off the ground, a decision that created some controversy.
But that time वो एक पत्थर लगा था, उस वक्त इतना बड़ा रिएक्शन नहीं करना चाहिए था, being a captain of India, और क्योंकि उससे और ज़्यादा क्राउड में डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाती है, तो वो अच्छा मेरा ख्याल है डिसीजन नहीं था. उसमें थोड़ा स्टे करना चाहिए था सचिन को. अगर पब्लिक से रिक्वेस्ट करनी पड़ती होम कैप्टन को या अवे कैप्टन को, तो इट डजंट हार्म एनीवन.
Well, I think you took an appropriate decision because that was not the first time a stone throwing incident took place. In the same game, I think in the earlier overs, a couple of stones were thrown at the Indian fielders who were at the boundary line. And we informed the match referee, I think it was Ranjan Madhukale who was the match referee. And I remember so well that he told Sachin that if it happens again, then it's up to you, you can always walk off from the field. And that's what we did.
Pakistan could not resume their innings. India had a target of 266 to chase in 47 overs. As the Indian team walked to the dressing room, the message from skipper Sachin Tendulkar was loud and clear.
I remember Sachin telling us that, guys, this is the time to show your skill and your batting talent also. He said, just go all out. The senior captain said, just go all out, give your 100%. Give your 100%, play with courage, a lot of courage, and I think we can do it.
The crowd at the stadium was savoring every moment of the game. Those who could not make it to the stadium cheered on the Pakistan team from their homes. The score of 265 gave them reason to believe in a home win.
265 जो ऐसा टोटल है पाकिस्तान के बॉलिंग अटैक को देखते कि हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है, तो उसके 265 जो है वो एक फाइटिंग स्कोर है.
एक घंटा पहले वो जो चांसेस है 50-50 थे, लेकिन अभी जो है ना वो पाकिस्तान के अपने ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान जीत जाएगा.
India's hopes rested on their star opening pair. Man of the series in the Sahara Cup, Sourav Ganguly showed he had not lost his touch.
Oh, beautiful shot by Ganguly. This time it's Waqar Yunus' turn to get the punishment once he's given in width.
Supporting him was master blaster Sachin Tendulkar.
And that's been dismissed from his presence by Tendulkar. A classic shot for six. He didn't even go back on that back foot. Off the front foot, he smashed him in front of square for six. So 1 over that for India, 34 for no loss. थ्रूआउट मैं वही बोल रहा था कि इंडिया की बैटिंग लाइनअप तो बहुत अच्छी थी और फॉर्म में थी. सबसे बड़ी बात है, स्पेशली सचिन भी स्कोर करता हुआ आता. सचिन ने मेरा ख्याल अराउंड 30 रन किए थे यहाँ पे, बट सौरभ सारा कप में बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस करके आया. नेचुरली मॉरली वो काफी हाई था अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान.
It needed a brilliant effort to remove Tendulkar. A diving catch by Moin Khan gave Pakistan the breakthrough with a score on 71. Tendulkar passed on some words of wisdom to schoolmate Vinod Kambli. And then the left-hander joined in the party. India appeared to be cruising to a win as Kambli and Ganguly put on a 98-run stand. But just then disaster struck.
He's got him. Wicket-taking bowler. He's got the wicket that Pakistan so desperately wanted. The wicket of Sourav Ganguly, and is this match taking another twist? Once again, this is outstanding fielding.
2 quick wickets meant India were 179 for the loss of 3 wickets. And there was worse to follow.
In the air he's gone. So another breakthrough here for Pakistan. Side of the struck. Jadeja is dismissed.
It was now up to the last recognized pair of Robin Singh and Sabah Kareem to rescue India.
Yes, there was pressure, and I was nervous when I went into bat. But the first thing we discussed was that we should try and bat till the 50th over and see how it goes. It was an easy wicket to bat, but at that stage, Pakistani bowling was on top of the Indian batters. So it was important for us to spend some time at the crease, and that's what myself and Robin decided. Let's play for a while, and then try and maintain a run rate of say 5 runs per over.
Inexperienced though, the pair had tons of cricket wisdom. In the 40th over, the batsman complained of not being able to strike the ball. The umpires responded and a new ball was taken. The changed ball was harder, which would make hitting easier. And that's exactly what happened.
It's gone a long way. Got bat on ball, and he's gone for 4. Actually, इस मैच में गेम चेंज कर दिया गया और हमारे पास कोई सेमी बॉल नहीं था जिसकी कंडीशन जो है वो 44 ओवर हुआ हो, यानी 44 ओवर यूज किया हुआ बॉल कोई नहीं था हमारे पास। जो नए गेम को थोड़ा सा रब करके तो वो गेम दे दिया था, जो कि मेरे लिए काफी डिफिकल्ट था।
9 runs short of victory, India ran into trouble.
Great fast bowler. Goes straight. He's knocked the stumps over. The Robin Singh was still all alone at the other end.
As Kareem walked back, he knew he had mucked his chance to become a hero.
I thought I have mucked it up because we had a good stand, which almost took us to India's victory. But then in the last, I think the second last over, and I just could not get Waqar Younis. I just could not rotate the strike, and I think the mistake I did was I went for some big shots, and that was the time when he really bowled quick and he was bowling his end dippers, not able to pick those end dippers quickly.
The fluctuating fortunes of India also had their effect in the press box.
I remember a colleague of mine is very busy doing his work and trying to send over his email or something, and I had to rush to him and tell him, next game's not over with it. I mean, there's something going on. And I remember he came out with the gloom of that room and the bright lights of Karachi National Stadium. And then he said, what? I said, like 2 reports. Why? I said, he said, well, 2 reports. So come to the earlier one. So the game's changing.
The fans in the stadium knew victory was inches away. Their decibel levels reached a crescendo. 8 runs to win and 2 wickets in hand for India. As tail-ender Rajesh Chauhan sided up, he knew that it was going to be now or never.
मैंने डिसाइड लिया कि मेरे को कैसे भी करके बॉल को बैट में कनेक्ट करना है। अगर मैं आउट भी हो जाता हूं तो डजंट मैटर, मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा टीम को, क्योंकि 1 रन होना चाहिए। He wants to single somewhere. Get Robin Singh on strike. Oh, full shot. That's a long way. What a shot to hit in a situation like this. Robin Singh has slapped his bat. And Rajesh Chauhan has just hit the biggest six he'll ever hit in his life. जब मैं स्टेप आउट किया और मैंने देखा कि साकलिन ने एक्चुअली यॉर्कर लेंथ में बॉल डालने की कोशिश की ऑन साइड पे, और वो बॉल मेरे बैट पे कनेक्ट हुआ। जब बॉल मेरे बैट पे इम्पैक्ट हुआ, जब बॉल हवा में जा रहा था, उसकी लगने से ही मुझे पता लग गया कि ये तो गया, क्या हो गया।
राजेश चौहान ऑलवेज से मैं बोलूँ ना, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा भी नहीं, बोले कर देखता हूँ क्या करेगा। He went and suddenly changed the match and started hitting sixes, and we couldn't believe that he was sitting inside. We thought the match is lost. Suddenly a Madanlal, his body came out like nobody was sitting inside. Each and every one he was saying, come on, he was just banging the door.
Chauhan's sixth set up victory for India. Robin Singh doing the needful with the winning runs in front of the silent Karachi Stadium.
India have done it. Robin Singh puts his arms up. What a great innings, and that's a smile of a very, very happy man. India have won. They've drawn level in this World Challenge. Great innings by Robin Singh. Great little cameo. But Rajesh Chauhan is going to relive that moment all his life.
A rare win in Pakistan. Time now for the Indians to savor the moment.
आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, मैं ग्राउंड से हमको होटल जाने में करीब मैच के बाद 1.5 घंटे से 2 घंटा लगा होगा। उस 2 घंटे के अंदर में मेरे रूम में मैसेज जो था वो करीब अच्छी खासी 30 लगी हुई थी मैसेज, और ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड से करीब करीब मेरे चाहने वाले जो थे, मेरे नजदीकी दोस्त, रिश्तेदार, सबके मैसेज रखे।
Nothing could console Saqlain Mushtaq, a match winner turned villain.
मैच खत्म हो गया तो आई couldn't sleep whole night. काफी जहन में रहा और काफी ख्यालात आते रहे कि यार लोगों को मैंने जीत के नहीं दिया, टीम नहीं जीती और सारा ब्लेम अपने आप को दिया।
Defeat to India, and that too at home, was not taken kindly by the public. A pall of gloom descended on Pakistan.
ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਜਨਾਬ ਬੜੇ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ ਤੋਂ। ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਟੀਮ ਹਾਰ ਗਈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀ ਵੱਜ ਜਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਇਸ ਟੀਮ।
Well, what do you expect when you get beaten in Pakistan to an Indian side? Obviously, the reaction is very strong. But I think people realized that they were the better team on that day. And then, it was an open series. I mean, they had to go and beat them in the last match. So, the expectations once again were raised immediately. But obviously, they felt really bad. They just cannot digest the fact that an Indian team can be better than a Pakistan team. And that is the great thing about these matches, because so much of passion is involved, and, you can easily come out as a star performer.
And the star of that match was Rajesh Chauhan. As he spends his life post-cricket in Bhilai, Chauhan knows that just one hit has propelled him into superstardom.